Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hi my youngsters, I hope you all are very well. I'm also well. Anyway, so the weekend has come and the weekend means it's time for Fun Drawing with Piyali. Today's drawing topic, cartoon scenery drawing with a crow, witch and a scarecrow. So are you all ready? Then let's get started. My dear kids, the end of the week means you know that it's the beginning of our fun. And what could be more fun than if we can picture or draw our favorite dream scene? Be it anything. Even it can be a cartoon imaginary scene like this one we are doing today. Well, we have today a scenery drawing with a crow, a witch and a scarecrow in this scene. So now let's see who can come out with the best imagination of all. Oh well, yes. Don't forget that we also share facts here while drawing. So today we can talk about a lot of things like scenery drawing, cartoon drawing, animals, birds. But let's pick two things, crow and scarecrow facts. Draw with the open ears. There come 5 facts. Fact number 1. Crows are super smart. In fact, they have been known to use traffic to help crack nuts. Crows can also remember faces. They can also make tools. They are one of only 4 species that can craft tools, apart from humans, orangutans and chimpanzees. They will find a very good stick and sharpen forked twigs into hooks and use it to scoop larvae or worms from holes in wood. Fact number 2. Crows have regional dialects. So apart from famous caw-caw noise, crows emit a number of other sounds also. Each one sends out a different message. For example, cawing can be used as a territorial warning or a way for crows to signal their location to relatives. Fact number 3. Crows can solve puzzles on par with human kids. In Aesop's fable, the crow and the pitcher, a thirsty crow encounters a pitcher with a little water in it. But it is initially thwarted by a low water level and bottle's narrow neck. Then the crow starts dropping pebbles into pitcher, however eventually raising the water level high enough for it to drink. And this story we know everyone, but not only it is a story, the research also verified that crows can do this, but it shows that they can pass the water displacement test at a level similar to human children between ages 5 to 7. And now fact number 4. First recorded scarecrow was by the Egyptians to protect their wheat field from flocks of quail. During medieval times, the scare tactic did not involve an inanimate object, but rather children ran the fields making loud noise to scare off the birds. And scarecrow device posted on cultivated ground to deter birds or other animals from eating or otherwise disturbing seeds, shoots or fruits. Its name derives from its use against the crow. And now the last one, fact number 5. The most famous scarecrow is the fictional character in the Wizard of Oz who is in search of a brain. Another notable scarecrow is in the short story written by Nathaniel called Feathertop, about a scarecrow brought to life by a witch. my cute angels. We hope you enjoyed today's cartoon scenery drawing with crow, witch and a scarecrow, and these interesting facts also. So till we meet next week with another exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.